Managing expenses efficiently is crucial for any business, and Qonto offers a streamlined solution to control spending and improve financial oversight. The best expense management tactic revolves around fully leveraging Qonto's smart card system. Each team member receives a dedicated virtual or physical card, with custom limits set according to their role and responsibility. By allocating precise budgets for categories like travel, office supplies, and subscriptions, businesses can prevent overspending before it happens. Every transaction is automatically logged in Qonto, reducing manual entry errors and saving hours on reconciliation. The real power comes from Qonto's real-time notifications and integrated expense categorization. Each purchase triggers an instant alert, allowing managers to monitor cash flow continuously. Categorizing transactions automatically ensures reports are accurate, eliminating the need to sift through receipts and spreadsheets. This level of transparency makes it easier to spot unusual spending patterns and optimize company budgets. For recurring expenses, Qonto allows scheduled payments and automated invoice capture. Businesses can link subscription services directly to a designated card, ensuring all recurring costs are centralized and easily tracked. Uploading invoices is simple, as Qonto extracts key information, matching it with the corresponding payment. This reduces errors and streamlines the accounting process, providing a clear picture of monthly commitments in dollars. Additionally, integrating Qonto with accounting software enhances reporting accuracy. Exporting categorized expenses directly to your accounting platform saves time and ensures consistent financial records. By enforcing strict card limits, using real-time tracking, and automating recurring payments, companies gain control over expenses while empowering employees with the tools to spend responsibly. This tactic reduces wasted funds, strengthens financial discipline, and provides actionable insights for strategic decisions. Using Qonto in this structured way transforms expense management from a reactive task into a proactive financial strategy, making every dollar accountable and every transaction transparent.